In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily change your email address in Notion. If you found yourself needing to update your contact information, perhaps after switching email providers or needing a fresh start, don't worry. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. First things first, you'll want to open your browser of choice. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, head over to the Notion website. Once there, log into your account with your existing credentials to access the account settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you're looking for the option labeled Settings and Members. Give that a click, which will take you to a new screen featuring a variety of options related to your account. This is where all the important details about your Notion account are kept. Next, locate the My Account tab. By clicking on this tab, it will bring you to a page where you can view all your account details, including your current email address. It's neatly displayed, making it easy to verify whether it's still up to date or if it needs a change. Here, you'll see a button or link that says Change Email. This is your gateway to updating your email address, so go ahead and click on it. Security is key when it comes to your personal information, so before you can make any changes, you'll need to verify your current email address. This step ensures no one but you can alter your account details. Usually, this involves receiving a code or link to your current email. Simply follow the instructions sent to you, and you'll be ready for the next step in no time. Once you've successfully completed the email verification, you'll have the option to enter your new email address. Type in your new email carefully, double-checking for any typos or mistakes to avoid potential issues later on. Once you're confident the new address is correct, confirm the change via the prompts provided. And just like that, your email address is now updated in Notion. It's a seamless process, ensuring that your contact details are always current, which is especially handy for receiving notifications or updates from Notion. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.